Hello, my smart learners. Hope you all are doing good. I'm your host and host. Welcome you all in Learnsmart's EVS classes. Learners, today we will learn about houses and their types. So, let us start the topic. But before starting the topic, we should know the meaning of house. A house is a place where people live together. The house in which we live with our family is called a home. Learners, we all need a house to live in, right? But why houses are so important for us to live? Because house protects us from heat, cold, rain, bad weather, thieves, as well as from wild animals. And we feel safe and comfortable inside a house because it is your house where you can eat, sleep, cry, smile, talk, walk, and whatever you want to do. So, houses are very much important for all of us to live. Now, there are two types of houses, a Katcha house and a Pakka house. So, what is Katcha house? Katcha houses are made of mud and straw. They are not very strong and they are mostly found in villages. Now look at this hut. This hut is an example of Katcha house. And on the other hand, we have Pakka house. As the name of these houses are Pakka house, these are more stronger than the Katcha house. Pakka houses are made of bricks, cement and steel. The doors and windows are made of glass and wood. These houses are also called permanent houses because we cannot move them from one place to another. And these Pakka houses are mostly found in towns and cities. And these houses are very strong. Now, as you all can see in this picture, a big Pakka house is called a bungalow. See, it is bigger than the Pakka house, right? Learners, did you all know that long time ago people did not have any house to live in and they lived in caves in jungles to protect them from bad weather conditions and from wild animals. Now let's learn about a good house. What is a good house? A good house has doors for people to enter the house. It has a neat and clean floor to walk on it. It has windows to let in sunlight and fresh air. A roof covers the top of the house. And a good house has rooms in it. So, if your house has all the things mentioned above, then your house is a good house. Now let's take a small recap of what we learned today. A house is a place where people live, and the house in which we live with a family is called a home. House protects us from heat, cold, rain, bad weather, thieves, and wild animals. There are two types of houses. Katcha house. It is made of mud and straw. It is not very strong and it can be found in villages. Pakka house. It is made of bricks, cement, and steel. It is very strong and can be found in towns and cities. A good house has doors, windows, clean floor, roof, and rooms in it. And that's all for today. I really hope that you all really like this video and learn well about houses. If you all really like this video, then like and share our video and subscribe our channel Learn Smart. You all can follow us on our Facebook page, our Instagram account and our Telegram account via the links provided in the description box below. And now it's time to leave, but we will meet again in the next video with another smart topic. Till then, take care of yours and your near and dears.